So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket, and Nano Banana 2 has been released by Google. So if you remember, the previous two versions, Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro, were already a success, and now Nano Banana 2 has come in, combining pro capabilities with lightning fast speed. The best news is the model is free to use. How? I'll be showing that too before we discuss a bit about the new model that has been released. The key features, I think, intelligence and visual quality at flash speed. It has advanced world knowledge. This is very interesting. It now understands world objects. Precision, text rendering and translation. So I think we already know that Nano Banana, the previous two models were quite good with text rendering, and now Nano Banana 2 is enhancing that to the new scale. Let's see a few examples. Just see this example. So a flat lay infographic depicting the water cycle, and the output is just amazing. Every text is absolutely correct and it is depicting the water cycle quite correctly. These are some comic strips it is able to generate, which is looking quite interesting. Again, all the text is absolutely correct, and you can now generate full length comics. As I can see, the quality is quite good. This was the quality for Nano Banana Pro, and this is the quality for Nano Banana 2. As you can see, both the models are quite good. This is an interesting use case that they are explaining. This is a language translation that is happening. So here it is in English, here it is in Hindi, and here is in some other language. So in image rendering itself, they are able to translate also. Enhance creative controls, subject consistency, maintains character resemblance of up to 5 characters and fidelity of up to 14 objects. Precision instruction following production ready specs from 512 pixels to 4K. I think this is amazing. Visual fidelity upgrade is also there. So if you look at a few examples here, just see this example. They are adding multiple images of animals and then creating a farm. Very amazing. What a merger. What image editing tool it has been. Three characters and then creating an entire comic story. This is general misty panoramic aerial shot of a verdant valley. This looks almost real. High style pop art fashion portrayed in different aspect ratios. Just look at this. It is not just changing the dresses, it can also change aspect ratios, which is quite amazing. Try Nano Banana 2 today. So it can be used for free on the Gemini app. As you can read here, Nano Banana 2 will replace Nano Banana Pro across fast thinking and pro models. So we'll be accessing it on the fast application. So I'm on the Gemini app and I'm in the fast mode. I tried this particular prompt, boy and girl swimming in pool. This is the image created. Very nice. Let me try out something else. Dragon in comics fighting in ocean. This is some random prompt I'm trying to give. Loading Nano Banana 2 as you can see. And I'm not a pro subscriber upgrade to Google A+. I'm a free user and hence Nano Banana 2 is available for free for everyone. You can try it out on Gemini app in the fast mode. If you click here, thinking and pro mode also it is available. Loading Nano Banana 2. It might take some time and the image is generated. Roar, cash, splash, zap, scree. Ocean fight, battle of the beast. Looks very interesting. Look at the quality of the output. I'm just going mind boggling. The text is absolutely correct. So what are you waiting for? The best image editing tool is now available, that is Nano Banana 2, and you can access it for free on Gemini. So don't wait, try out new images and let me know what you think about the model. Thank you so much.